Hello everyone, welcome back to Indu Spirit, Holistic Haven. Today, my colleague Rishi and I are diving into one of my favorite topics, meal prepping. We'll explore 5 super healthy vegan recipes that are easy to source, simple to cook, and store ideally for the week ahead. These recipes are nutrient-packed, budget-friendly, and perfect for anyone embracing a holistic lifestyle. Ready to get started? Let's jump in! Sweet potato Buddha bowl. Prep and cook time 30 minutes. Nutritional highlights: high in fiber, vitamin A, and plant-based protein. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes cubed, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can of chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Toss sweet potato cubes with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes. While roasting, cook quinoa according to package instructions. In a small bowl, whisk tahini, lemon juice, and a splash of water to create a creamy dressing. Assemble the bowl by layering quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and fresh spinach. Drizzle with tahini dressing. For storage, pack in airtight containers. It stays fresh for up to 4 days in the fridge. And here is the recipe too. 1 pot lentil curry prep. And cook time: 40 minutes. Nutritional highlights: rich in iron, protein, and antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup red lentils, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 medium onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 TBSP curry powder, 1 TSP ground turmeric, 1 TSP cumin, 1 TBSP olive oil, 2 cups vegetable broth, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: heat olive oil in a large pot. Sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Add curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. Stir for 1 minute. Add lentils, diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil. Lower heat and simmer for 25-30 minutes, stirring occasionally until lentils are tender. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve over rice or with flatbread. Storage: divide into containers. Keeps well in the fridge for 5 days or freeze for up to 3 months.
Chickpea salad wraps.
Prep time 15 minutes. Nutritional highlights: packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 SS ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 TBSP vegan mayo. 1 TSP Dijon mustard. 1 stalk celery, diced. 2 green onions, chopped. 1 TBSP lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Whole grain wraps or lettuce leaves. Instructions: mash chickpeas in a bowl with a fork until chunky. Mix in vegan mayo, Dijon mustard, celery, green onions, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spoon the mixture onto whole grain wraps or lettuce leaves and roll them up. Storage: store the chickpea salad separately in an airtight container. Stays fresh for up to 4 days in the fridge. Recipe number 4. Yummy vegan stir-fry with tofu. Prep and cook time 25 minutes. Nutritional highlights: high in protein, calcium, and vitamin C. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, cubed, 2 cups mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, 2 TBSP soy sauce, 1 TBSP sesame oil, 1 TSP grated ginger, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 teaspoon cornstarch, mixed with 2 TBSP water. Sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: heat sesame oil in a skillet. Add tofu and cook until golden brown. Set aside. In the same skillet, sauté ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add mixed vegetables and cook until tender crisp. Stir in soy sauce and the cornstarch mixture to create a light glaze. Return tofu to the skillet and toss to coat. Serve over rice or noodles, garnished with sesame seeds. Storage: divide into meal prep containers with cooked rice or noodles. Keeps well in the fridge for 4 days. The best in the last. Recipe number 5. Overnight chia pudding prep time 5 minutes plus overnight chilling. Nutritional highlights: rich in omega-3s, fiber, and calcium. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk or any plant-based milk, 1 TBSP maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Fresh fruit and nuts for topping instructions. Combine chia seeds, almond milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract in a jar or bowl. Stir well. Cover and refrigerate overnight, stirring once after 30 minutes. In the morning, stir it well and top it with fresh fruit and nuts. Storage. Store in the fridge for up to 5 days. Perfect for grab-and-go breakfasts. And there you have it. 5 delicious, easy-to-make vegan recipes that will keep you nourished and energized all week. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indu Spirit, and hit that notification bell for more holistic living tips. These recipes can also be found on Arjun Rishi's blogs at www.yogisandlife.com and Medium Arjun Rishi. Follow Arjun Rishi on Pinterest as well. Links are provided below. Until next time, stay healthy, vibrant, and live your best life. Namaste.